People, welcome back. Me do a homeless madman prank part 3 for you. No watch you 1 already, no watch you 2 already. So this is part 3 for the homeless madman prank. You see me? So if I look a breeze problem, so please see by that. Yeah, me I try with you, so try with me. And please remember to subscribe, share, comment and everything. You don't know, you can comment the phone now. Already attach them there.
A few moments later.
Instead of enjoy the video there, and enjoy the people around. Yo, but I have to piss up myself. You know what I'm saying? The homeless madman prank part 3, yo, that was it. So please remember, share with your friend and put it on the WhatsApp status, on the Facebook, every type of media, spread it, you see me. We need the subscribers them. And please, and thanks for support the money prank, you see me. When me and money do, you don't know, people lie and wicked, you see me. And the money prank pick up in the Jamaica, so thanks for that. And yeah, please remember, keep up to date, turn on the notification, post on my YouTube, and I will see you soon.